was sponsored by the government, established by the Speaker of the National Assembly. It's the NGCDF Act of 20 accords to the current Constitution. In that case, Your Excellency, therefore, what the NGCDF committee found it fit to take it up on it, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, the second part that came from the executive, one of them is the climate change activity, not less than 3% of the funds for purposes of digital apps. The last one is your pet project in financing of education, particularly transition from secondary school, primary to secondary school, tertiary. Therefore, the bursary in law, the National Rotary, the bill that came from the executive, sponsored by the leaders of collection, National Rotary, so that Kenyans will not only.
Congratulations, you are my very best wishes. Merry Christmas. I'm particularly very excited about NGCDF amendment. I think it gives us an opportunity to work with members of parliament in every constituency to tackle two pressing matters. The matters of managing our environment because of the effects of climate change. We have to be deliberate in making sure that we engage a whole of society approach, in making sure that we intervene in various spaces that will help us manage environmental degradation, management of our water towers, management of our wetlands, and mobilizing the whole of society to intervene in that space that all of us now agree poses an existential threat, not just to Kenya, but to humanity. And the second item being attending to the very urgent and pressing matter of our youth, the youth bulge, and making sure that we provide opportunities for young people to engage in meaningful, deliberate opportunities